What's going on? Hey, if you are a real estate agent who has a listing sitting right now on the market and you're looking for a creative way to think outside the box and find other ways to help your seller ideally find a buyer, then listen up. This video is for you because I'm going to show you how to leverage ShowingTime.com to look up the real estate agents who are showing homes to their buyers in the same area as you're listing right now. But for some reason, they haven't shown your home. Why not? Let's find out. So this video right here is going to require you to have a ShowingTime.com login. You're going to access the actual website, www.showingtime.com. What you're looking at right here is the old version of ShowingTime.com when you log in. You want to make sure you click here and you go to the new version of ShowingTime.com. All right, you're going to see some information on this dashboard. Left-hand side, you want to click on Reports right here. And when you click on Reports, you're going to want to scroll down and you're going to want to click on this one, Target Market Analysis, and click on Open Report, all right? If you don't have access to this, you need to reach out to ShowingTime.com, possibly also your managing broker, and find out why you don't have access to it. Sounds like it might be a little bit of an upgrade. Once you have this though, you click on Open Report, and now guess what? You can type in anything you want, right? You could type in your subdivision or area, and you can, I don't know, let's just click one. Sure, Cherry Creek. And now we can start to run reports for properties within this area. You can see I can even go back up to say 60, 90 days. I can sort by bedrooms, and then I can create a report on whatever property types that I want. Once it starts to load, it's going to give me some information on showings within the Cherry Creek market within the last 90 days. Within this price range. I can also mess with the price increments within here, depending on how I want to break this information down. Here's the important part for you watching is if you scroll down to the bottom down here, you can start to see the buyer's agents who have shown homes within these price increments. So maybe if my home is in the Cherry Creek area and it's listed within maybe this price increment right here, $850 to $899, I can click on the 23 buyer's agents and I can now, boom, immediately contact them through phone call or email. If I were you, I would do phone call just because I feel like real estate agents are just getting blown up like crazy with emails. But you can pick up the phone and call them and maybe ask them why they didn't look at your home. And somehow maybe it missed the filter for some reason. But this is something different. This is something new that you can do if you don't know about this. If this was helpful, follow along at my website, milehightitleguy.com, where I share nothing but real estate tools, resources, and marketing ideas for real estate agents. I host classes, events here in the state of Colorado. Come on out to one of my classes or events. I'm always doing things. You can find me on eventbrite.com. I do about 10 classes and events every single month. But definitely hope this is helpful for you, and reach out if you have any questions. Mile High Title Guy.